is this? Whoa. Is this what I think it is? Holy crap. Let's take a look. Well, apparently a package just came. And it looks like, I mean, if you guys could take a guess what this thing is and tell me, I'll do a giveaway. What is this? What do you think this is? This is actually a PC case. This is a PC case. I actually don't know how to like use this very well. I'm not about to plug the name of the brand and stuff like that. But let's take a look at this thing. Okay. Holy crap. So I'm trying to talk into the mic. So this PC right here is pretty much like a, I want to call it, I don't even know what it is. You guys let me know in the comment section, what do you think this looks like? It is a PC case. I'm going to do some experimenting, you know, making sure this thing is like properly stable and everything like that. I don't even know how to open it. So actually give me a second. All right, so I finally found some instructions for this thing. This little paper here telling me how to install. So it comes with a 200 millimeter fan. It looks like 200 millimeter fan that kind of like, that's the main fan of the whole system. It looks like I could put an IO cooler here for my CPU, and then it looks like I could put another fan right here. So I guess a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 fans. Not bad. Not bad at all, actually, for this tiny case. I mean, it's not tiny at all. It's very compact in a small style case, I guess you could say. I do have a mini ITX motherboard that I will be putting in here, but I'm kind of thinking, can I put something bigger in here? Like, can I go bigger? Can I use a bigger motherboard? It kind of looks like it. Low key, it kind of looks like it, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not 100% sure. It looks like I have to face my GPU this way. That's pretty cool, bro. I'm kind of thinking I could put a bigger motherboard in here though. We'll see guys. Got a couple buttons over here. USB 2.0, 3.0, headphone jack, microphone jack, another USB port, power button, another power button. It looks like over here. I don't know what that does. Maybe this big fan right here. I'm thinking this big fan right here. I think it turns on. Obviously, it spins really fast. It's a big fan. Probably uses a lot of power. I'm thinking this changes LED colors. Maybe, hopefully, we'll see. That'd be pretty cool, right? And then obviously you have the power supply at the bottom of the machine for airflow. All right, so overall, I think this case is a big W though. I like it. It's very small, very compact. Mini ITX motherboard goes here. I'm thinking I can put a bigger motherboard here, but I'm not sure. I'm not entirely sure. I think it is only mini ITX, but hey, it is what it is. I would love to get this thing fixed up. Let's put the motherboard in and stuff like that. I might make a separate video on that. Actually, I want to make a separate video putting the motherboard in and, you know, turning this thing on and powering it up. All right, so it also looks like this thing has a speaker. Or maybe this is a vent. I don't know what this is right here. It looks like a speaker. Like it looks like it's for a speaker. So that is cool as hell. I'm kind of liking this case. I got this for $100. I'll link the name down in the description. This is not an ad or anything. I'm not telling you guys to buy this stuff. I was not sponsored or anything like that. I just needed a case for my mini ITX motherboard, and you know, why not use one that looks cool like this? So that's pretty much it for this video. I will make a separate video pretty much building this PC for this case. And yeah, stay tuned, hit that notification bell, comment below, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. And that being said, that's it for this video. Let's get it. YouTube 2021.